Good morning. My name is Luis Gabriel Aguilar. I am a student in the Industrial Engineering of Core Valuation and Negotiation of the Technology. Step 2, Comprehending Intellectual Property. Below, I will present the conceptual map of the obstacle defined and recommendation to avoid the obstacle. Um, The obstacle is excessive processing time. Most common obstacle when registering intellectual property causes the process can take up to 4 years. Patentability examination costs, confidentiality requirements. Uh, Assurance that the patent doesn't previously exist. Why 6 months the assess viability. Rigorous process, 30 examiners. Only the point where to carry out the process. And the consequence, time and the money wasted by companies and people. That their parties appropriate the idea or invention, interest loss in the process, few patent bases in Colombia with less than 300 per year. Most patents are made by foreigners. A recommendation to avoid in the obstacle. One time is generation a new idea. It is must start quickly lead patent filing, making exhaustive searching to validate that isn't a document and so avoid lost time. Two, entonces once you have an idea, you should do a cost and benefit balance to validate viability and to know if is possible making in or not. Thank you.